Gentle makeup remover. Opt for non-alcoholic formulas to avoid drying out the skin. Micellar water is a great choice for sensitive skin. Choose removers that target your skin type, for example, oil-based for dry skin. Start with the eyes. Use a dedicated eye makeup remover to gently take off mascara and eyeliner. Apply the remover to a cotton pad and hold it on your eyes for a few seconds before wiping. Avoid harsh rubbing, which can irritate the delicate skin around the eyes. Double cleansing method. First, remove makeup with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water. Follow up with a gentle foaming or gel-based cleanser to remove impurities. Double cleansing ensures all traces of makeup are gone, leaving skin refreshed. Avoid harsh scrubs. Harsh scrubs can cause micro tears and irritation, especially if used after makeup removal. Instead, use a gentle exfoliating mask or enzyme-based products. Exfoliate once or twice a week to maintain a smooth and glowing complexion. Don't skip neck and ears. Makeup can also end up on your neck and ears, so be sure to remove it. Use the same makeup remover to wipe off these areas. Removing makeup from these spots helps prevent breakouts or irritation. Clean towel for drying. After cleansing, use a clean, soft towel to pat your face dry. Avoid rubbing. Cause unnecessary irritation. Make sure to wash your towel regularly to avoid transferring bacteria. Hydrate after removal. After makeup removal, your skin may be more vulnerable, so follow up with a hydrating toner or serum. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Don't skip this step, as hydration helps restore your skin's natural barrier. Gentle with sensitive skin areas. The skin around your mouth and eyes is delicate, so be extra gentle when removing makeup. There, soft cotton pad or cloth, and avoid pulling or tugging on the skin. Applying a soothing product, like aloe vera gel, can help calm the skin. Eyebrows. Eyebrow makeup can be stubborn to remove, especially if you use pomatus or gels. Use a makeup remover with oil-based ingredients for better results. Clean your eyebrows thoroughly to prevent clogged pores. Clean brushes and sponges. Brushes and sponges can accumulate makeup, oils, and bacteria if not cleaned regularly. Clean your tools at least once a week with gentle soap or brush cleaner. Clean tools will help prevent breakouts and maintain flawless skin. Face mist for extra refreshment. After removing your makeup, spritz a refreshing face mist to tone and hydrate your skin. Look for mists with calming ingredients like chamomile or rose water. A quick spritz can reinvigorate your skin after a long day of makeup wear. Avoid hot water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, making it dry and irritated. Lukewarm water when removing makeup to avoid damaging your skin's barrier. Washing with cool water can help close pores after cleansing. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.